Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a study visa to study in Argentina. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the website of Argentina's embassy in India. So here, if you go to consular services, they have information about application process for visas. So one is all general consideration and then 5 is student visa. So we'll go through both of those. Now, whenever it comes to apply for any kind of visa, guys, always check the requirements as per your residential area. Because based on the area you are living, there could be additional document steps and even fee too. So that's why if you're from India, I have opened this website, but if you're from other location, open the relevant authorities website over there, where you can get the process as per your location. Okay. So they have given a mail address where you can mail and discuss like for this matter. There's an emergency number, but don't call that. Okay. If you do go there without an appointment, you are not gonna be welcomed. Okay. Now, you have to apply at least 6 weeks before your expected date of travel for proper processing time, but sometimes it may take longer if they really have to do additional steps. Now, they are generally processed in the sequence they received, but it could vary also. Okay. The application form must be handwritten or filled digitally by applicant and signed in the blue ink. It should be printed out on 3 separate pages and not back to back. 51 must mention applicant full name and as per passport and blue ink and block letters along with signature. Okay, so that means no back-to-back printouts for anything. Okay. All right. If you go with incomplete documentation, you're going to be returned. Any false information or misleading could lead to permanent ineligibility to enter. So never do this. See, there's you're going to have an interview conducted. Okay. Now, you are going to deposit in Indian rupees as per the forex rate. So that is what you should have, like proper backups of finance when you go. All right. So those steps, first send all the documents by email for verification on this email account. Once the verification is done, you'll be issued an appointment to submit in person. Okay, you have to go. Again, like back-to-back printouts are not acceptable, including back statement. If all documents are full and complete, the visa interviews will be conducted on the same date. Means on your same application date, it will be conducted. And after the interview, they will tell you about your stamping if they approve. And they will tell you they have a process of urgent processing too, but you need to have solid reasons for that. Okay. So what are the things you need? Visa form, passport copy, and when you send the email, you have to go by this kind of subject line. And if you have more than one document to accommodate, you can do it in parts as they have said. So this is the visa form that we opened. So pretty simple: surname, name, and middle name. All that information should match with your passport. And remember, no back-to-back printout. Father name, mother name, gender, date of birth. Make sure you match the format. Place of birth, it should match with your passport. Nationality. Type and number of local ID document or residency card. So India, you can use Aadhaar card. Lebanese family register number, not only in case of Lebanese original. Your home address, home telephone, email address, mobile phone number, passport details. I don't have to explain this. You know this pretty well. Your employer, purpose of the trip. For study, you'll write study. Length of study, length of stay means study, of course. Reference in Argentina. So if you have been accepted by a college university, you can put their details. Place of stay, date of arrival, date of departure. Spouse if applicable, children if applicable. If not, just write any. Don't leave blank. Have you ever applied for an Argentina visa? Provide that information. When did you apply? Provide that information. Where did you apply? Provide that information. Did you enter with that visa? I mean, did you really use that visa? Provide that information. When did you enter? Length of that stay. Purpose of that stay. Provide that. Do you have a spouse, partner, sibling, parent, or relative residing in Argentina? Who address, telephone. List your cities of residence for the past 3 years, including dates. Okay, like previous three address. A lot of countries ask these pieces kind of information. These are security questions. You can type yes or no, but be honest. City and date of request, signature and printer name. So that we had explained earlier. Photograph, and this is for office use. Okay. Coming back to application. Now let's go to student visa specifications, specific to student visa. Fee for short term 150 USD, for long term 250 USD. Okay. Documentation, passport, visa application form, cover letter, electronic filing of student data. So this is by the institution. Okay, so if you have got a genuine offer, definitely it has to be done by them, and they will issue a letter of invitation also. That's written in number 6. Funds. Okay. Now, as a student, you can submit the statement of your parents too, with salary receipt for last 3 months and ITR, income tax return for last 3 years, along with the affidavit support signed by the parent guardian. Okay. A letter from current university employer if you are going for student exchange or non-formal studies. Okay. Flight booking, accommodation arrangement if you are minor, additional important. If needed, educational document, degree apostilled by Ministry of External Affairs and its translation into Spanish. Okay, if required. So they have also said that what else, what are like photographs and other requirements that you should carry. So that is how it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.